What's up, crypto fam? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Just getting ready to head off to the gym, get in a nice Sunday afternoon workout. So I'm recording a video and scheduling it to release shortly after I leave. um, okay, so we got BlackRock. Oh, first off, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Make sure you guys are doing your own research, okay? We got BlackRock ETF stirs U.S. Bitcoin buying as research says get off zero. Bitcoin is a must own as the world's only true scarce asset. Analysts argues as U.S. BTC accumulation takes a leg up. Bitcoin will it's up to 30,200, still holding strong above 30,000. By the way, guys, we got to maintain that 30,000 mark. Will suck in all prosperity gains in future and leave behind those who have no exposure as a result. A new prediction says in a Twitter thread on July 8th, investor Luke Broyles delivered a bold vision of how Bitcoin would become society's base money. Investors investor tells would-be Bitcoin buyers get off zero, which started off as a commentary on an artificial intelligence, on how artificial intelligence is welcoming BTC, soon became a dramatic online of how it should end up as the world's go-to currency. For Broyles, Bitcoin's key attributes, a fixed, immutable supply, makes it unique as a future-proof asset. Every innovation, even AI, will rush as quickly as possible to competitively force prices down. Every country will rush as quickly as possible to print currency to force prices up and sustain credit markets. Both of these forces will increase in speed, he wrote. BTC, meanwhile, will remain consistent in its emissions. And as a result, even a tiny exposure in a world is a world away from nothing at all. We have less in common with the future than the past. Bitcoin is trading for hundreds of millions of political currency units in many nations already. But the actual big deal is that all prosperity gains from all future innovations will flow into society's base money, BTC. Broyles continues. This is why it's a crucial. This is why it is crucial for people to get off zero, saying Bitcoin is digital gold. Saying Bitcoin is, I'm tongue tied today, guys. Is digital gold is like saying a locomotive is an iron horse. His perspective chimes with that recently published by author Hayes, former CEO of crypto derivatives exchange BitMEX. As Cointelegraph reported, Hayes believes that AI will instinctively choose BTC as its financial lifeblood, again thanks to its unique qualities compared to other assets, including gold. As a result, AI alone could push the BTC price past $750,000 per token, which would be great. The whole market would explode, you guys. BTC supply dominance hits inflection point. The race to secure the remaining BTC supply, meanwhile, may have already started. Broyles argued that Bitcoin liquidity, in fact, peaked during March 2020 cross-market crash, and will never retrace its steps. And will never retrace its steps since. When the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, announced its Bitcoin spot ETF exchange-traded fund filing, meanwhile, U.S. BTC activity rocketed. As noted by on-chain analytics firms Glassnode, the U.S. appears to be reassessing its own exposure. Quotes: following the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF request announcements on June 15th, the share of Bitcoin supply held traded by U.S. entities has experienced a notable uptick, marking a potential inflection point in supply dominance in the trend if the trend is sustained. it commented on July 8th by accompanying chart. An accompanying chart showed the difference between regional BTC supply ownership changing. So it's just a chart showing the exchange of hands of BTC. So what do you guys think? I personally, I see, like I've been saying to you guys for weeks now, ever since they had announced the BlackRock ETF application, that this market's going to go absolutely nuts, you guys. Like, we're talking trillions. We're talking something like $27 trillion just from the US, right? China has announced that they plan on making a splash in crypto, right? Japan, the UE, like they're all starting to pass regulation. They're all like 27 trillion in assets, just here in the U.S. Like just there in the U.S. I'm in Canada, but you guys get the point, right? Like we went from just under $3 trillion, and the people who are doing their price predictions right now and stuff are basing it off of very conservative numbers, in my opinion. I don't think anyone's ready for the tens of trillions of dollars that's going to be jumping into this market class in the next couple of years, right? This is the best time to be DCAing, you guys. Not financial advice, but I'm just telling you how I feel. Like, I think that the people who 3-4 years from now, 5 years from now, are going to look back and they're going to say, man, like they're going to be calling us lucky. They're going to say, you guys are lucky. Just like we call people who bought Bitcoin back in like 2011, 2012, 2013, they're gonna be calling, like we call them, like, oh, you guys are lucky. No, they were just smart at the end of the day, right? And I can admit that I missed the boat on that. A lot of us did, right? And so that's going to be what's going to happen, 5-6 years from now. People are going to be looking back saying, calling us lucky. Oh, you guys are lucky. You guys bought Caspa under a dollar. You guys bought Jasmy under a dollar. You guys bought XRP under a dollar. Algo under a dollar. Like, Cardano under a dollar. You guys bought Ethereum at $1,800-$1,900. You guys were DCing into Bitcoin at from anywhere from 15,000 to 30,000. Like, they're gonna be calling us lucky. You watch. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think about that down below. Are you guys bullish on do you guys agree that tens of trillions of dollars is going to be dumping into this asset class as we move forward over the next, say, 5-6 years? Or do you guys think that that's not going to happen? Let me know in the comments down below. Shoot me a like, you guys. Shoot me a subscribe. We're getting close, guys. We're getting close to 400. We just got to hit that 5, and the live streams are coming. So hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys later.